Are you constantly feeling off balance, struggling with mood swings, weight gain, or even unexplained fatigue? You're not alone, and your hormone health may be to blame. Many people don't realize just how much these powerful chemical messengers control everything from our energy levels, to our appetite, and even our mood. But here's the surprising truth: hormonal imbalance isn't something you're just stuck with. There are natural, science-backed ways to help reset and balance your hormones that can make a dramatic difference. Let's get down and explore how you can take control of your health. Welcome to Levitas. So, how do you know if you have hormone imbalance? What are common signs? Hormones play a vital role in regulating almost every function in the body. When they're out of balance, the symptoms can be frustrating and even disruptive. One of the most common signs is sudden weight gain, often stubborn fat that doesn't respond well to diet or exercise. Mood swings can also become frequent, with unexplained highs and lows, irritability, and even feelings of anxiety or depression. Chronic fatigue is another big indicator. If you're always feeling tired regardless of how much you sleep, it could be a hormone issue. Low libido is also common. Our hormones largely control our sex drive, so any imbalance can reduce our interest or energy for intimacy. Irregular periods can signify hormonal imbalance in women, often linked to imbalances in estrogen or progesterone. Sleep disturbances can also arise, where restful sleep becomes difficult to achieve or maintain. Finally, cravings for sugary or high-carb foods may increase as your body tries to cope with the imbalance by seeking quick energy. If any of these signs sound familiar, it's worth considering that your hormones may need a natural reset. One of the most effective ways to quickly reset your hormone balance is through early time restricted feeding, or ETRF. This eating pattern means consuming your daily meals within a specific time frame, typically within 8 hours, and having your last meal by 3 p.m. tops. Early time restricted feeding works with your body's natural circadian rhythm, which plays a crucial role in hormone production and regulation. When you give your body a consistent eating schedule, particularly one that aligns with daylight hours, you can help regulate key hormones such as insulin, cortisol, and melatonin. Insulin sensitivity improves, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes that disrupt hormone balance. Eating within a limited window also reduces the likelihood of late-night snacking, which is often linked to hormonal weight gain. To practice ETRF, you might consider having breakfast around 7 to 8 a.m. and finishing your last meal by 2 or 3 p.m. Practicing ETRF can help your body optimize hormone function, improve digestion, and even support better sleep by stabilizing energy throughout the day. It's a simple, natural technique that yields impressive results when it comes to hormonal health. Fasting can have a unique impact on female hormones due to women's natural hormonal cycles and biological differences. While fasting offers significant benefits for hormone balance, women need to approach it carefully to avoid potential disruptions to reproductive hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Intermittent fasting can help with insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for both women and men, and reduces inflammation, two key elements for hormonal health. However, fasting too aggressively or for prolonged periods can sometimes lead to stress on the female hormonal system, affecting menstrual regularity and potentially increasing cortisol levels. To safely benefit from fasting, women might opt for shorter fasting windows, such as a 12 to 14-hour fast, rather than a full 16 or 18 hours. Many women find that fasting works best when adjusted to their cycle, focusing on adequate fasting in the follicular phase, or the first half, and avoiding prolonged fasting during the luteal phase, or the second half, when the body requires more nutrients. This approach helps reduce the risk of hormonal imbalance while still providing the metabolic and insulin benefits of fasting. With this tailored approach, fasting can support hormone health without compromising reproductive or adrenal function. The ketogenic diet, or keto, is a powerful tool for balancing hormones, especially those related to blood sugar and insulin. By drastically reducing carbohydrates and increasing healthy fats, the body transitions into a state of ketosis, where it uses fat instead of glucose for energy. This switch reduces insulin levels and improves insulin sensitivity, which helps stabilize energy and minimizes insulin-related hormone disruptions. This results in more stable blood sugar levels, fewer crashes, and a reduction in inflammation, all beneficial for hormone balance. When done correctly, keto can help improve the balance of hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and satiety, reducing cravings and supporting a healthier weight. Keto has also shown positive effects on cortisol levels, helping to manage stress more effectively. For a hormone-focused keto approach, prioritize high-quality fats like avocados, extra virgin olive oil, and fatty fish. Aim for a balance that includes high-quality proteins from sources like eggs and beef while keeping carbs low, ideally from fiber-rich vegetables. By carefully adjusting your macronutrient intake, keto can provide a foundation for more balanced hormone production and regulation, naturally supporting your energy, mood, and overall health. Certain foods are particularly effective in quickly improving hormone balance. Flax seeds, for instance, have phytoestrogens and are rich in fiber, which support estrogen balance and gut health. Avocados provide essential fats and nutrients, like vitamin B6, which aids in hormone synthesis. Fermented foods like kimchi and kefir are fantastic for gut health, enhancing the microbiome which plays a role in hormone production. High-quality proteins from sources like lean meat, fish, and legumes provide amino acids that are crucial for hormone synthesis. These foods work as natural allies, supporting balanced hormone levels and a healthier endocrine system. Supporting thyroid health is essential for overall hormonal balance, as the thyroid produces hormones that regulate metabolism, mood, and energy levels. Certain foods can naturally support thyroid function. Iodine, found in seaweed, iodized salt, and dairy, is critical as it's a building block for thyroid hormones. Selenium, an antioxidant found in Brazil nuts, eggs, and tuna, is essential for thyroid function and protects the gland from damage. Both iodine and selenium deficiencies can lead to thyroid dysfunction and hormone imbalances. Another vital nutrient for the thyroid is zinc, which is found in shellfish, beef, and chicken. Zinc plays a role in hormone synthesis and conversion processes within the thyroid. B vitamins, especially B12 and B6, are also beneficial for thyroid health, aiding in energy production and mood regulation. Incorporating leafy greens, lean proteins, and foods rich in these nutrients can help keep the thyroid functioning optimally. However, it's essential to avoid overly processed foods and those that may disrupt thyroid hormone absorption, such as gluten. By nourishing the thyroid, you're supporting balanced hormones and a more stable, energetic state of well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, play a significant role in hormone balance by reducing inflammation and supporting cell membrane health. These healthy fats enhance the body's response to hormones like insulin and cortisol, stabilizing mood and energy levels. Omega-3s are found in fatty fish, grass-fed grass-finished beef, flaxseed oil, and walnuts, but supplements can provide a consistent daily dose. For hormonal health, taking 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily is effective. Omega-3s are best taken with meals for improved absorption. Regular intake helps reset hormones by creating a foundation for balanced and stable cellular communication. In conclusion, when hormones fall out of balance, they can wreak havoc on our bodies, influencing everything from mood and energy levels to weight and sleep quality. Symptoms like sudden weight gain, mood swings, fatigue, low libido, irregular periods, sleep disturbances, and cravings for carbs are often red flags indicating hormonal imbalance. One effective method to quickly rebalance hormones is through early time-restricted feeding, which aligns eating patterns with the body's natural circadian rhythms to regulate key hormones like insulin and cortisol. Additionally, while fasting can benefit hormone health, women may need to adjust fasting periods to suit their unique hormonal cycles. The ketogenic diet offers another powerful way to balance blood sugar and insulin, which in turn stabilizes other hormones. Certain foods like flax seeds, avocados, fermented foods, and high-quality proteins provide essential nutrients for hormone synthesis and regulation. For thyroid health, iodine, selenium, zinc, and B vitamins support optimal function, directly impacting hormonal stability. Finally, omega-3 foods and supplements offer anti-inflammatory benefits that further contribute to a balanced hormonal health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.